There are two areas to watch across the Caribbean and the Atlantic as the Atlantic hurricane season peaks from mid-August and we go through to October. Right now we have one system which is east of the Leeward Islands set to impact the northern part of the chain as they go through late on Friday going into Saturday. Possibility of some heavy showers, downpours here, 25 to maybe 50 millimeters of rainfall expected, but it should actually skirt towards the north. There are warnings in effect across Antigua, St. Kitts, and those warnings will likely intensify if this system becomes a tropical storm as you go through the next few days. Its track is set to push towards the west-northwest, eventually getting up towards the Bahamas. So they'll be watching this system quite closely. But right now we still have a fair weather in charge across most of the island chain, but we do have a bit of showery activity set to creep into Barbados. The closeness of that system will bring a few showers that could be on the heavy side here. Up towards the Leeward Islands, they'll be watching that system get ever closer through Friday afternoon. Ahead of it, there will be fair skies, but a few showers will be thrown ahead of that system as you get towards the latter half of Friday. Meanwhile, across the Western Caribbean, we do have yet another area. This one is set to develop, possibly becoming a tropical storm as we go through the next few days, making a slow turn towards the west-northwest, set to impact the Yucatan Peninsula by the time we get to the weekend. But ahead of it, we continue to see quite a bit of showery activity, some downpours here, possibility of a street or flash flooding, as well as mudslides as well. So obviously this system, we'll be watching it as it goes over some very warm waters, 30 degrees Celsius in places. So that could be something to watch over the next few days. So across the Greater Antilles, there's still a few showers around Jamaica, courtesy of that system, 31 degrees Celsius here. But for the rest of the Greater Antilles, Santo Domingo and Port-au-Prince, mostly fair conditions, just occasional showers here for Santo Domingo. So that's your Caribbean forecast, and that's from me.